Welcome back. So I've come up with this gorgeous all-time favorite Gadwal Lightwear Silk sarees today in the most beautiful color palette. I'm absolutely loving what I'm wearing today. It's in such an evergreen color combination of half white with a red in lightweight Gadwazes. It's looking amazing, super traditional. It's very elegant. So coming to the details of this particular saree, look at the border. It has got a mustard yellow kora with stripes border, traditional style temple border. Throughout the saree, we have zari checks, gold zari checks. And coming to the pallu, it will be a contrast red tissue pallu. And blouse will be a plain red blouse with the same border for the sleeves. And coming to this neck piece, it's super gorgeous. And this is from Tibarumal Sons and Jewels. These earrings and this neck piece is absolutely amazing. I love the piece of this. Do check them out. So let's begin with the video today. So all the sarees are priced at 13,800. So this is the first saree in a super elegant color combination of light peachish pink with a nice mustard yellow border. Such a pretty color combination, very unique and versatile. Coming to the saree body, you have very thin fine checks, traditional gap border style with gold zari on mustard yellow combination. Very pretty the color combination is. That will be the pallu and blouse, tissue pallu and plain blouse. And that's the whole look. This will be number one. And next up, this is something that we've restocked from a lot of huge demand on this particular saree. A beautiful cotton checks in a light creamish yellow with a beautiful bottle green and magenta pink kora. See this color? A very pretty saree, guys. Magenta pink kora with bottle green gap border style cotton checks. If you see the cotton checks, nice mango yellow and cream color combination cotton checks. A very beautiful, elegant, subtle saree. Comes with a contrast blouse and pallu in bottle green, tissue pallu and plain blouse. This will be number two. And here comes one such evergreen color saree, yet in another cotton checks. Look at this saree. I so loved this color combination, one of this age-old saree color combinations but never goes out of style or out of trend. A very beautiful combination, light blue with a dark navy blue border, cotton checks on the body, traditional stripes border, beautiful color combination. Pallu and blouse in contrast blue, plain blouse and tissue pallu. This is number 3. And here comes one plain Gadwal. We have clients waiting to have such color combinations, especially in plain Gadwals. Like they don't have stripes or checks. It's completely plain on the body and the border has a traditional stripes border. Super classic, super elegant, yet they are very stylish. So coming to this color, it's a deep navy blue mixed with a wine kind of a color on the body, which comes with a beautiful rose pink border. A very unique contemporary color, super elegant it is. Pallu and blouse in contrast, tissue pallu and plain blouse in rose pink. There you go. This is number 4. And here comes yet another very elegant classic color. It's a beautiful sea blue color with a nice peach color border. I really love the colors this time, guys. They are very pretty. Look at this color. Super contemporary combination, yet super elegant and traditional. So coming to the saree, just got checks and I really love the border color of peach. It's a nice warm tone of a peach with gap border style. Pallu and blouse in tissue pallu and plain blouse in peach color. A very elegant saree, number 5. One such vibrant combination that you don't want to miss out on. Look at this purple color with a beautiful lime green border. Check this out. Beautiful, elegant and vibrant, such a stunning combination this is. It's got checks on the body, traditional gap border style in contrast lime green. Pallu and blouse in lime green. Tissue pallu and plain blouse. There you go, that's the model. This is number 6. And here comes a beautiful saree, a very elegant combination with a nice small border. This has a contrast red border and the body is in a dusty lavender color. One very unique shade of lavender, not the regular lavender, which comes with a very pretty small border in contrast red. The gold zari traditional border checks on the body. Comes with contrast pallu and blouse in red, tissue pallu and plain blouse. There you go. This is number 7, 13,800. And here comes one more beautiful color in pastel combination in traditional Gadwal silks. I really love the color combination especially. So the body is in a lovely peach and the border is in bluish lavender color. It's a very different tone of a blue if you see. The body has completely zari checks and this is the border. Such a stunning border. It's a dual tone border if you see and completely stripes on the border part. Pallu and blouse in contrast. You can see the dual tone of the border, blouse and pallu here. A very beautiful color, tissue pallu and stripes blouse. That's the whole look. This is number 8. And here comes one such another dual tone sari. Look at this combination. It's a mehendi green yet a leaf green mixed color. You can see the dual tone. The combination is really very pretty. It comes with a beautiful purplish magenta border with a pink kora. And the dual tone is very, very gorgeous, guys. It has got very thin fine checks with traditional gap border style. Pallu and blouse in contrast magenta. Tissue pallu and plain blouse. Very good. That's the whole look. This is number 8. 9. That's number 9. One such traditional evergreen timeless combination, which is this bottle green with orange color. Look at this sari. It has got zari stripes, a beautiful smaller border on the top, slightly bigger on the bottom with a very beautiful border, stripes border. Very pretty color combination. It's a tissue pallu and stripes blouse in contrast orange. A beautiful timeless combination, guys. This will be number 10. We have one last piece, which is the all-time favorite, yellow with a purple color. Look at this color. Who doesn't love such colors? See? Beautiful mango yellow with resham checks, traditional gap border style in contrast purple with a pink border. Contrast pallu and blouse in purplish magenta, tissue pallu and plain blouse. This is the last piece, which is number 11. Take your screenshots and send us on our WhatsApp number 8341382382 to book them or to place any orders. So this is the whole look put together. So these are total of 12 sarees including what I'm wearing. This will be number 12. So I hope you all like them. This is the perfect collection for upcoming Shravan Masam wedding festivities. Do not miss out on these beauties. Thank you so much. No returns and exchange unless the payment is made. See you soon.